Good evening students. Today I will discuss one sum of factorization chapter from class 10. So the question is given like this: if f of x is a polynomial leaves remainder 5 and 19 when it divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1 respectively, find out the values of a and b, and hence find the remainder when that polynomial is divisible by x minus 2. So first we have to know what do you mean by remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states that if any number, any polynomial is divisible by x minus alpha, then f of alpha will be the remainder. So according to the remainder theorem, what I can see that x minus 1 is dividing this polynomial, so f of 1 will be the remainder. Again, when it will be divided by x plus 1, then f of minus 1 will be the remainder. You remember, when it is given minus, then this alpha will become plus. When it is given plus 1, then alpha will be minus 1. So now here, according to that, f of 1 is equal to 5 as it is given remainder 5, and f of minus 1 is equal to 19 as it is given 19. By remainder theorem, you know that f of alpha is the remainder, and here f of 1 is the remainder, and already given f of 1 is 5, so I wrote here like this. So now you can tell, if f of x is equal to this, then f of 1 will be, means in place of x we will put 1. So here x to the power 4 means 1 to the power 4. Here 2x cube means 2 into 1 to the power cube. Like this I wrote, and I got an equation that is a plus b is equal to 3. I kept name 1. Same way, again f of minus 1 is equal to 19. Same way I put the value of x is equal to minus 1 here in this polynomial, and I got another equation a minus b is equal to 13. I kept the name number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, you can solve any other methods also, these two polynomial and these two equations, as an elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication in one of these, but it is better to use elimination method. Now I added 1 and 2. It is clear that if you will add b and b minus, both will cut. So same way I got 2a is equal to 16. 3 plus 13 is 16. So 2a is equal to 16, a is equal to 8. Put the value of a 8 here in number 1 or maybe in number 2, you will get b is equal to minus 5. Now we got one answer. The first part of the question is solved. Now second part, for solving second part, we have to put the value of 8, a and b here in this given polynomial. So I wrote here the original polynomial is f of x is equal to the same polynomial is here, only I change the value. This a, in place of a I wrote 8, and in place of b I wrote minus 5. So minus minus it become plus. So this is I wrote as original polynomial. Now again it is given f of x is divided by x minus 2, so the remainder will be f of 2. That means in place of x I put value 2. So here you can see 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 5, and I solve, I got 1. Thank you very much for this, for watching me.